Hello, this is Tom Sillis. I'm the CEO of wetcrow.com in the US. Thank you for joining us today. The topic of this video is fencing install jobs USA start tomorrow. That's the title. Now, here's what's going on. We have a lot of we're getting into the business of we want people like you to help install fences for our customers. We're dealing with companies like Costco. We're the back end for Costco, Walmart, and some other, and a lot of other retailers. We're becoming the back end for them. We're experimenting, but now we're finding out that they want us to install more stuff. So some of them, like Home Depot, sells fencing. They basically don't have immediate install. You got to get a quote, blah blah blah. It's a pain in the neck. If you went to Home Depot and you already bought the fence, you know the stuff you need. You measured it. You got your fencing at home. And you want somebody to install it for you because you don't want to do it. You realize it's a pain in the ass to install. So we need guys like you to come in and do that. If you're a fence installation guys, if you've done it for others or you're doing it on your own. You're like, you could be like a handyman, but, we're going to set you up you're going to come to our website, wetcrow.com, become a service provider. When you put in your offer, fence installation, you're going to go down to there, pick that, install. And usually we're going to tell the customer to go pick up your fencing at a store like Lowe's or Home Depot. Bring it to your home in your backyard, and then book the service. We'll have the guy come out and do it for them. And you're going to give it's going to be per linear foot quote, and there'll be a base charge, and then plus per like that. That's how we they'll do it. They'll put in the thing. We tack on a base charge. There'll be a minimum. We charge by the square foot. There's going to be a minimum. It's going to be disclosed in there. And then you guys go out and do the job. So now, typically, what's involved. There's going to be digging involved and all that. There's going to be post digging, all that kind of stuff. I presume you have that equipment before you join us. So if there's any other charges, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and then make a comment below. Anything you want to add that this should be included, please. How you quote it. If you quote it differently for doing it, you could put that stuff in. If there's a minimum cost, stuff like that, you're going to damage the back lawn, just all that kind of stuff. If you bring a vehicle in the back, you may or may not need that. I don't think you will, but let's just assume whatever it is, any kind of comments you want to make, please do that down below. It'll help. It'll make it very useful for us to make sure we put the right description on there so that because we got to make sure that the customer knows what they're getting. Because they come in here, they select the service, they say what they're doing, they pick what kind of fence it is, and if you have different pricing, put it down there. We charge this much, or even you can DM me with like what you charge for different services like that. So we for the different types of fence, and then we'll put it in there. I mean, I already know about private fence. I've done installations for it myself in the past as a handyman, so I know how that goes. So, but we got to get updated pricing, and I have pricing from the costestimates.com website. So you can look at that as well. Costestimates.com. I'll put that in the description below. You can look at it too, and kind of tell me if the prices seem reasonable. We charge at the higher end, but you can decide what you want to charge. I mean, you always have a right to charge what you like. So we'll get that all figured out. We take 20% commission on the first 1,000, and then it drops down to 10%, just so you know. So you don't get caught. We're not going to charge you 20% on 5,000. That's not going to happen. So that's pretty much it. Subscribe to the channel, and please like this video. And there's going to be a lot of information down below. And then if you want to add stuff, please make comments. Put all the information you like. It'll help us out. It'll also help out other handymen that are going to be doing this. So we got to help each other out. There's plenty of work out there for everybody. I guarantee you I don't have enough people to do all the installs. So you're gonna anytime you help somebody, it's gonna help other people as well. So thanks again. Have a great day. Have a good week.